Factories shut, machines silenced. In Bangladesh's industrial zones, including Ghazipur and Narayanganj, more than 60,000 workers are staring at an uncertain future as nearly 100 factories have closed down permanently. Once bustling production floors now stand abandoned, a stark symbol of a wider crisis. With GDP growth projected to fall to just 3.3%, Bangladesh faces its sharpest slowdown in 2 decades, raising alarm among economists and industry leaders.
So normally, for the interim government situation, the investor don't want to invest; they would like to keep themselves a position, wait and see. So I hope in near future there will be election, and that election has to be credible and fair election, so the people can give their verdict. So accordingly, there will be a government. We hope then investor situation will improve.
Foreign direct investment has virtually collapsed, down by 70% in the first half of this fiscal. Cash starved businesses are barely surviving. Fuel shortages and soaring interest rates have further crippled the operations. Many investors linked to former ruling party Awami League have either fled, gone into hiding, or landed behind bars, leading their enterprises to collapse. As public frustration grows, experts warn that the economic fallout could destabilize the country's already fragile industrial backbone. The World Bank now predicts 3 million more people could slip into poverty in Bangladesh by 2025 if urgent reforms are not initiated. With political uncertainty rising ahead of the national polls, confidence in the economy is at a breaking point. Banks are too weak to lend, and businesses are reluctant to invest. For 2.1 million Bangladeshis who have already lost their jobs, and most of them women, the road ahead looks increasingly less promising. With inputs from Naval Singh Parmar, Diptanshu Kashyap's report for the Economic Brief DD India.